Hello student, this is the second lesson, solutions and colligative properties of first chemistry 1. Most of these solutions are prepared in the water, but some solutions cannot be prepared in water, so we have to use organic solvents. And solutions are the homogeneous mixture of, it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components or pure solvents, two or more pure solvents. What is solution? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more pure solvents, pure substances. It contains two components. First is solute and second one is solvent. So what do you mean by solute and solvent? Solute, it is a part of solution which is used in lesser proportion, and solvent, it is a part of solution which is used in larger proportion. So let us study about the examples of solutions. First example, salt solution. The salt solution will be prepared in water. In this solution, salt is in a lesser proportion and water is in larger proportion. So, in this case, solute is salt and solvent is water. Water, it is in a larger extent, so it is a solvent, and solute is in a lesser proportion, so it is a solute. So these are the part of solutions, solute and solvent. Okay. Then in this chapter, according to the three states of matter, or that is solid, liquid and gaseous state, solutions are of 9 types, and these are as follows. Look at this and make a table. Prepare 4 columns. First is a serial number, solute, then solvent and examples. These are the 9 types of solutions according to the states of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gaseous, and according to them the solutions are of 9 types. First, if we use solid as a solute and liquid as a solvent, then the examples are sugar solution or salt solution. In this solution, solute is solid and solvent is liquid. Then second type of solution is solid. Solute is a solid and solvent is also a solid. And its examples are metal alloys, steel, brass, bronze. These are the examples of this type, that is brass and bronze also. Then third type of solution, solid, solute is solid and solvent is gas. And its example is iodine in water. Iodine in water. Then fourth type is liquid. Now we'll start solute as a liquid. First in three cases solute are same, solid, 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 and in combination with liquid, solid and gas. And fourth one is liquid, and again solvent is liquid. Liquid plus liquid, example is ethanol in water. Ethanol in water. Then fifth one is liquid and solid. Solvent is solid, means larger proportion solid, and lesser proportion is liquid, and example is amalgam of mercury. Amalgam of mercury with metal. Mercury is in a liquid state, it is in lesser proportion, so it is a solute, and metal is in a solid state and it is a solvent. Okay. Then sixth type is liquid gas. In gas, liquid in gas. Its example is chloroform in nitrogen. Chloroform in nitrogen. Then seventh type starts with gases. These are the 4, 5, 6 type, which is solute is same, that is liquid, liquid, and we'll start gas. Gas in liquid, CO2 in water or O2 in water. Carbon dioxide in water and oxygen in water. Then eighth type, gas in solid, H2 gas in palladium. H2 gas in palladium. And ninth type, this is the last type, gas in gas. It is a mixture of gases. So air is the example of gas in gas. In air, there are O2, N2 and some inert gases. So these are the 9 types of solutions according to the states of matter. In this chapter, our focus will be on the solution of solid in liquid. Only solid in liquid, with some attention to the solution of a gases in liquid. Solid in liquid and gases in liquid. The next topic is solubility. What is solubility and factors affecting on the solubility? The amount per unit volume of saturated solution at a specific temperature is called as solubility. Amount per unit volume of saturated solution at a specific temperature. Specific temperature is called as solubility. The specific amount which is per unit volume of saturated solution at a specific temperature, is called as solubility. It is expressed in terms of unit. Its unit is mole per liter. Mole per liter. Solute plus solvent, its dissociation, if it dissociate and it prepared solution. And if solution is crystallized, then it is a reverse process. Crystallize, we will get solute and solvent. If we mix solute and solvent, we prepared solutions. And if it is a reverse process and if its crystallization takes place, we get solute and solvent. And there are three factors affecting on solubility. There are three factors which affects on the solubility. First one is nature of solute and solvent. Its solubility depends on both the nature of solute and solvent. Then second one is effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. And third one is effect of pressure. So these are the this is the first video. We had seen what is meant by solution, part of solution. There are two parts, that is solute and solvent, and 9 types of solutions according to the states of matter. Then solubility, its unit and factors affecting on the solubility. Thanks for watching.